For today's vocabulary lesson, we are going to learn about the ER and EST suffixes. Our learning target for today states, I can compare two or more things using words with ER, EST. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a base word that changes the meaning of the word. The endings ER and EST can be added to many adjectives to compare. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Let's look at the example below. We start off with the word tasty. The red apple is tasty. We can add the ending ER to make it tastier. The apple is tastier than the banana. We can add the ending EST to make it tastiest. Bananas are the tastiest fruit of all. If you notice, the word tasty ends in Y. When we added our endings, we had to change the Y to an I before we added the suffixes. Let's take a look at a few more examples. Our first adjective is the word weak. We can add ER to make the adjective weaker, or EST to make the word weakest. Let's look at the next adjective, tall. We can add ER to make the word taller, or EST to make the word tallest. Finally, we have the word happy. We can add ER to make the word happier, or EST to make the word happiest. If you noticed, happy ends in Y like tasty. We have to change the Y to an I before we add our endings.